Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried rice using an easy method. First, ensure you have cold, day-old rice. This is crucial for preventing mushiness. Next, chop all your vegetables and protein into small, uniform pieces so they cook evenly. Finally, measure out your sauces and seasonings. Having everything prepped before you start cooking makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple preparation ensures a quick and tasty meal. Now let's get those ingredients ready. Start by chopping your chosen vegetables into small, bite-sized pieces. Think about 1/4 inch cubes for carrots. If you're adding protein, like chicken or shrimp, cut it into similar small pieces to ensure quick cooking. Don't forget to whisk a couple of eggs in a small bowl. These will add richness and texture to your fried rice. Having everything prepped and ready to go makes the cooking process much more efficient and enjoyable. It's time to start cooking. Heat about 1 tablespoon of oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. First, scramble your whisked eggs until just set, then remove them and set aside. Next, add your chopped vegetables and protein to the hot pan, stirring frequently until they are tender crisp and cooked through. This ensures they retain some bite and flavor, contributing to the overall texture of your fried rice. Finally, add your cold, day-old rice to the pan, breaking up any clumps. Pour in your soy sauce, a dash of sesame oil, and any other seasonings, stirring vigorously to coat all the rice evenly. Return the scrambled eggs to the pan and mix everything together until heated through and well combined. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade fried rice. For easy meal prep, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.